Hello, everyone, and welcome to the virtual poster presentation for Team A7. My name is Stephen Hahn, and my pronouns are they, them, theirs, and I'll be giving you a short overview of our work with Tacoma Fire Department's CARES program on behalf of my colleagues, Abel DeBella, Amy Geisen, Genevieve Christensen, and Julie Neerman. The City of Tacoma's Fire Department responded to nearly 50,000 calls in 2020, and as you can probably imagine, not all these calls are for fires, but what might surprise you is that a large proportion of these calls are actually non-emergency calls. Now, for these calls, community members need help, but they don't necessarily need firefighters and fire engines. So to better serve these community members, TFD operates the CARES program, which stands for Community Assistance Referral and Education Service. The challenge we were faced with was helping TFD as they expand the CARES program to assist with behavioral health calls. Calls related to behavioral health, which include psychiatric, mental health, and substance misuse issues, are increasing. And the purpose of our project was to create a prototype predictive model that will enable TFD's EMS prevention to make decisions on future operations, to determine how to best allocate their resources, and ultimately to have maximum impact on the community. Now, there's two core components to our solution: a text classification algorithm and a predictive regression model. The text classification model uses a sample of 1,000 manually reviewed cases to classify TFD's 911 calls as behavioral health calls or not. This generates a new variable, which we then use in the prototype regression model to forecast how many behavioral health calls TFD can expect in the future. The results are quite promising. Our classification model can predict whether a call is or is not related to behavioral health with 88% accuracy. It is still under predicting behavioral health a bit. Roughly 24% of calls are truly behavioral health calls, but the model is classifying only about 11% as behavioral health. So we know there is some improvement that can be made in future iterations, and we're excited to deliver our solution and our recommendations for future improvement to TFD. Thanks for listening.